Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about excitement, something excited. What is that? What I think most of people are excited to know others' feeling, others' personality, others' emotions. But we all never try to understand our own personality, what type of personality we are actually, and that is the real case of all human beings, because we never try to analyze our self respective personality. What is your real personality? I want what you want to do. This is the real question of yourself. You have to question yourself. I'm started to questioning myself, but I have no I don't get answer. I have lots of confusion. Before I was lots of confusion, but now I have know something clarity. But it's not enough to knowing about anything, because at the age of the 27 you have to figuring out what you want to do, and this is the most essential topic. You have to question yourself also, but we never did it. I started to doing this, but sometimes I get regret about this, and sometimes I think that no, I have to question myself, because I never want to live like that, and I want to take action. But in action I get quickly bored, and sometimes it will take a so confusion for me. And that's why I want to question myself that what is my real passion, what is my real interest, not created by others. And there are lots of people who are available to create an interest in you, in any field, whether it's stock market, whether it's coding, whether it's driving a laptop, whether it's lots of things. But what you want actually what do you want, and you have no idea. I know that you are learning English, but it as the year pass out, it's going so bored boredom for you. But what next? Are you question yourself? Yes, I'm question myself that what next. And if I learn English and you are looking for me, and I'm little learning about this English, but it is not enough. And I'm not going to say that I'm perfect in English. No, I'm just preparing myself to adopt this English language as in Hindi language. Just just teach. And for that I realized that no, I have to do some another stuff also, because that is it's require more productive. For that I have to take action in the excitement, in the interest. By the way, I'm trying to read the Lean Startup book, but it is not enjoyable for me. I am i'm awareing with this Lean Startup, but it is not enjoyable for reading me, and that is not on my part of this is not on my part. And I seemingly know that it's not my type job. What's my type of job? What's still you have no idea. Questioning yourself is the most key answer. But I question myself and got an answer later. Let's see what happened. If I got my answer later, I will tell you definitely. Okay? Thank you so much.